Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to change modes on ELECTROLUX Comfort 600. So first, make sure that your AC is plugged in, then click this button to power on. When the lid is open, it's turned on. So here we have a button. I'll show you the mode button. So with this button, just simply click it to change modes. Now it's on cool, now it's fan, so it's really strong. The dry, and auto. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.